The 2025 Chevrolet Corvette C8 represents the pinnacle of American automotive engineering, offering unparalleled performance, cutting-edge technology, and iconic design. Building upon the mid-engine layout introduced in the previous generation, the 2025 model year introduces the highly anticipated ZR1 variant, further elevating the Corvette legacy. ZR1 model highlights: powertrain. The ZR1 is equipped with a 5.5-liter twin-turbocharged DOHC flat-plane crank V8 engine, producing an impressive 1,064 horsepower and 828 pound-feet of torque. Performance: this formidable engine propels the ZR1 from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.3 seconds, with a quarter-mile time of 9.6 seconds at 150 miles per hour, making it the fastest production Corvette to date. Design enhancements. To accommodate the increased performance, the ZR1 features a more aggressive front splitter, carbon fiber elements, and a prominent rear wing, all contributing to enhanced aerodynamics and downforce. Additional models. Stingray. The base model continues to offer a 6.2-liter naturally aspirated LT2 V8 engine, delivering 495 horsepower and 470 pound-foot of torque when equipped with the performance exhaust package. Z06. Introduced in the 2023 model year, the Z06 boasts a 5.5-liter DOHC flat-plane crank V8 engine, generating 670 horsepower and 460 pound-foot of torque, making it the most powerful naturally aspirated production V8. E-Ray. The E-Ray, unveiled in early 2023, is a hybrid variant combining the LT2 V8 engine with an electric motor powering the front wheels, producing a combined 655 horsepower. Global availability. In January 2025, Arnold Clark, in collaboration with Chevrolet, opened a dedicated Corvette showroom in Glasgow, Scotland, marking the brand's official entry into the Scottish market. A second showroom is set to open in Altrincham, Greater Manchester, expanding Corvette's presence in the UK. The 2025 Corvette C8 lineup exemplifies Chevrolet's commitment to innovation and performance, offering enthusiasts a range of models to suit diverse preferences and driving experiences.